Okay, let's dive into the releve misconception. It's a really cool comparison of athletic training philosophies, right? It's a super frustrating puzzle for elite athletes, especially in sports like gymnastics and ballet. In rhythmic gymnastics, a whopping 75% of injuries affect the lower limbs. That's huge. And a lot of times, the problem gets blamed on things you can see, like floating toe or flat feet. So the traditional answer is just to practice more, endlessly repeat the same movements. But here's the thing, that approach might be targeting the wrong problem entirely and causing injuries. So what's actually going on inside the foot? Let's look at the science. For perfect balance, your weight needs to travel smoothly along this pathway. It has to be continuous. But for a lot of athletes, that pathway is broken because their foot bones aren't perfectly aligned.
This is the real root cause. It puts all the pressure on one single bone.
And this is where we see two totally different philosophies for how to solve this. So what's the real secret to getting that rock-solid stability? Well, the answer is pretty amazing. Get this, elite Russian teams are actually using a very specific Japanese innovation. Yep, this Japanese concept directly addresses that broken weight pathway we were talking about. And the solution is surprisingly simple. You just insert a tiny silicone pad to complete the path. But this is way more than just physical support. It's actually like a complete neurological reboot. It's called the light touch effect. Think about how just lightly touching a wall can steady you. That little pad basically wakes up all these sleeping sensory receptors in the foot. So suddenly, the brain goes from a blurry picture of the ground to crystal clear 4K. This activates what's called predictive postural control. Your brain starts correcting balance before you even wobble. You get immediate stability, way less risk of injury, and you can focus more on artistry. It's a game changer. It really makes you wonder, what could you achieve by not just training harder, but training smarter?